Lings Wood in Northampton.
Yeah, and what have we just found?
Snowdrops. Snowdrops are endangered and they look like snow.
There was a folklore.
Angels turn snowflakes into snowdrops
As a symbol of hope.
as a symbol of hope.
How do snowdrops survive the winter?
They have anti-trees when they're freezing in the trees. They smell like honey on sunny days, which is today.
Yeah, can you smell that here?
I smelled it already.
Oh, okay. Give me a fact about squirrels.
They're scared of people. Squirrels eat acorns, nuts. This is duckweed because ducks like to eat it. This is a very fast growing plant. It doesn't have stems or leaves. It's one of the smallest flowering plants in the world. It's very easy to grow. It helps stop mosquitoes.
What do ladybugs eat?
Aphids. Ladybugs are very good for the garden.
Because they eat all the pests, don't they?
Hello, ladybug. I just saw a woodlouse.
A woodlouse? Okay.
There's a slug. Right here. There's mushrooms! Worm! Do you see a worm, Dad? They are very interesting. They worm around. Start to leave the scale wood.
And what does it feel like?
Like touching the teddy. I found a different mushroom. It's a common woodland mushroom. They like growing on the stump.
What have we found?
Pinecones.
What trees do pinecones grow on?
Pine trees. And it's a pine leaf.
And are pines deciduous or evergreen?
Evergreen. How many years the tree is old? This is what it does when it has itchy horns. Because I like climbing.
What do woodpeckers eat?
The bugs inside the wood, and they make nests in the wood. The blackthorns, and I called it mossum wing.
Why do you call them blossom wing?
Mossum,
Mossum. Why do you call them that?
because they look like mossum wings.
Okay.
I can subscribe to Tyree's channel.